Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. Today's featured recipe is the pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. These are soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try making these because they are super easy. And when you do make this, please let me know how yours turned out. Let's jump right into this video. So to my flour, I am adding some sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, and of course some pumpkin spice. Whisk everything together. Next, to my mixer, I will be adding my yeast and milk mixture. Then I also will be adding 1 egg, some good vanilla extract, and of course some melted butter and our pumpkin puree. Mixed until it looks like this, then you're going to add the flour just a little bit at a time. We want our dough to be nice and sticky, but does not stick to your fingers. Just like that. So we're going to remove the dough from the mixer and place it on a nice clean work surface. Add some flour. Knead this dough into a nice ball and place it into another clean bowl with some oil and cover. Let that sit in a warm place to double in size. All right, this is what it looks like. Now to prepare our cinnamon sugar. Of course, I'm using brown sugar, some cinnamon, and of course, some pumpkin spice. Make sure to get all the lumps. As you see there, the fork was not doing me justice. So I just use my hand to make sure there are no lumps in this mixture, as you can see there. So now to a nice clean surface, we are going to upturn. Yes, guys, upturn the dough. Just look what I'm doing here. Then you're going to press the dough out. Make sure to flour your hand just like that and use your rolling pin. You can also flour that lightly and roll this dough out. This looks absolutely amazing. Then make sure you're having some room temperature or really soft butter to spread it out over the dough. We do not want to tear our dough. The reason I'm doing it this way is because it's easier to spread. Then we're going to cover the entire top of the dough with the cinnamon sugar. Awesome, and then we are going to roll. I did clean my hands after placing the sugar on the dough, so my hands are nice and clean. And then I will gently or lightly flour my hands so I can roll this up nice and tight. We are going to use a string and cut about 2 inches. Awesome, and place into a well-greased dish. Just like what I'm doing here. And I cover and let this sit for about 30 minutes. And that is what it looks like. So while that was baking in a 350 degrees oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, I was making the topping. Here I have some softened cream cheese and butter, some confectionery sugar, and some good vanilla extract, and of course our pumpkin puree. You can also add some milk here as well. This looks and tastes absolutely amazing. So here is our cinnamon roll. Smells, heaven. So while it is still warm, you're going to spread the topping right over. You want it to get in every crease and crevices of the cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh, guys, please make this. Absolutely, absolutely delicious. Again, if y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. And please drop me a comment as well. Let me know if you're going to make this one. Absolutely amazing, and trust me, these last maybe a day and a half in my house. All right, so I was trying to record and eat at the same time, so forgive me. Look how fluffy this is. I was like, what am I doing? So I just tossed the fork and I just went in. Okay, these are so addictive, super addictive. So if you don't have no control, please stay away. But if you do, go right ahead. Yes, guys, I was in for seconds. Be kind to yourself and each other, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.